Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing this fall smoky eye look I have on right now. It did turn out a little bit bright, but I think that's okay. It is really bright, but also smoky and the perfect colors for fall time. So before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I upload a video. I have a ton more fall makeup tutorials planned, so definitely hit that notifications bell so you're notified when I do upload. So I am starting out by priming my eyelids with concealer, and then I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be doing a fall smoky eye, and when I think of fall, I think of three colors. I think of red, orange, and purple. So today I'm going to be doing a fall smoky eye using those colors. The eyeshadow palette I am going to be using today is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I thought this palette was perfect for the look I'm trying to achieve today. It has all the colors I want, so let's start blending. The first shade I am going to be going in with is this orange shade right here. It is called My Man. I'm going to be taking it and I'm going to be putting it on the inner corner of my eye. And since I am doing a smoky eyeshadow look, I'm going to be starting out by applying that shade on my lid. Since I am applying it on the inner corner, I still don't want to get it too far in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to be applying it all on my lid of my eye. And I'm going to be blending it up to along my crease of my eye. So I am going to be starting with my darkest shades I want to use first and then blending out lighter. And the same thing to my other eye. The next shade I'm going to be going in with is this red shade right here. It is called Living My Best. And I'm going to be blending that red shade into the orange I applied, and I'm going to be applying that in the middle part of my eye. I'm going to be packing that shade down, and also I'm going to be doing little flicking motions to blend together the orange and the red. Do the same thing to my other eye. Now I'm going to be going in with this purple shade right here. It is called Stay True. And I'm just going to be blending that on my outer corner of my eye and into that red shade. I'm going to be packing that shade down, then the same thing to my other eye. The flicking motions to blend go on there, and it's full pigmentation. Okay, now I know my eyeshadow looks kind of crazy, but trust the process. And now I'm going to be going in with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to be taking some lighter shades and just blending this all out. I'm going to be going into this orange shade right here. It is called Positivity, and I'm going to be blending out the orange part on my eye. And I am going to be going in some back and forth motions, and I'm going to be trying to keep that orange blend in the inner corner and not drag it too far over, because I do have to blend out the red. do the same thing to this eye. And I'm going to be really careful and not get too much eyeshadow in the inner corner like I always say. Now I am going to be blending the red out with this shade right here. It is called Heart On. And I'm going to be going in very light-handed with the red just because I feel like red is a harder shade to blend out. So I'm going to be blending out that shade with some circular motions. And then I'm kind of going some back and forth motions to help blend those two shades together. And I'm going to blend it a little bit out towards the purple. I'm going to take my brush with a little bit of product on it and kind of just blend down to where these two shadows meet. Same thing to my other eye. Okay, now I'm going to be blending out my outer corner with this purple shade right here called Therapy Sesh. And I'm just going to pack that down onto the edge of the other. So now I am going to be going in with this fluffy blending brush with no product, and I'm just going to be blending everything out so there's no harsh line where the eyeshadow stops. So just everything's blended out, very airbrush-like. I'm just going to be going in back and forth windshield wiper motions and lightly blending that all, and just doing that same thing to my other eye. Now I'm going to be working on the lower lash line, and the first shade I'm going to be using is that Stay True shade right here. And I'm just taking a flat defining brush and I'm going to drag that across my lower lash line, but I'm not going to drag it all the way across. I'm just going to try to keep it as close to the outer part of my lower lash line as possible. And now I'm just going to take the shade My Man on that same brush, drag it along my inner part of my lower lash line to where the two shades meet. Now I'm just going to be going back in with that fluffy blending brush with no product, and I'm just going to be blending under my eyes. And I'm going to be blending those shades out. I don't want to drag it down too far. Now I'm just going to be going into the shade Ride or Diamonds with a flat packing brush, and I'm just going to be taking a little bit of that on my brush, and I'm going to be applying it to my inner corner of my eye for a kind of golden inner corner highlight. And then also I'm going to just take that shade and go along my brow bone. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.